Hello user, myself Abhishek and I am your odoo trainer from Evozard Technologies. So today we are going to understand how to export images in Excel. So for that Evozard is having their own application which is known as export product images. So once we download this application from Odoo App Store, we are going to use this product. So using this module, user can directly export images in Excel using Odoo export feature. So user need to use the basic export feature of the Odoo, and this application will help user in importing the product, exporting the images to Excel. So the key features are export images directly in Excel and easy to use. Now let's look at the configuration. So you need to go to the settings, and there you can find the permissions. Under permission, you need to check this export images in Excel. Once you're done with all these settings, now you'll be able to export the images in Excel. So to see the transactional functionality, let's see how it is going to work. So we need to go to products, and then we need to get into list view. Then we need to select the products as per our choices for which we want to export the images. Go to actions and click on export. So once you click on export, this pop-up will open, and here you find the image name and image. You can select and you can export that. So here you can see that images are exported to Excel. I hope you understand the functionality, and if you want to get in touch with us, you can contact us at the info@evozard.com, or you can call us on the given numbers. Thank you once again.